Hey guys, Tech Timmy here. So in this video, I am going to be unboxing this Tacoso Wallet Tracker, or I should say unbagging, I believe. The good folks over at JDTDC were kind enough to send me over a couple of these, which is great. And my understanding is that you can use this to place in your wallet, in a bag, and so forth. And then you can use either, if you're on Bluetooth, it'll play a sound, or you can use Apple's Find My feature to basically track it using their GPS. So without further ado, we're gonna get out of the bag here, and then here we go. Okay, cool. So they do have it in a box inside and some nice branding. So as I just said, works with Apple Find My, find easily, so that's cool. And then ×1, I'm assuming that means that there's one in here. We have some legalese on the back here. And yeah, so without further ado, let's actually get this out of the box and take a look. So I'm gonna leave that guy right here. And the packaging is nice. I'm actually semi-surprised that you know, for such an inexpensive product, they did a great job with the packaging. Full documentation here, it looks like. So we have some product information. Need to have an iPhone or an iPad, iOS 14.5 or so iOS 14.5 or iPad OS 14.5 or later installed, and Apple ID two-factor authentication enabled. Okay, so very cool. So we have some instructions. Turn on the device, press and hold the button for 5 seconds. Device will beep and turn on, and then you have to go ahead and pair it with the phone. So for now, I just wanted to get this out of the box. We'll do just a simple unboxing to show you what the thing actually looks like. And then in a future video, I will actually do a setup and also a review. And so here we have, thanks for your purchase. You can, okay, they actually provide an email. Very good, 24/7 support. Very cool. Okay, so that's nice. And yeah, I've seen some other videos on both TikTok and YouTube for this guy. I really like the way how slick and sleek the design is of this guy, more so compared to, I would say, like Apple AirTags and so forth. The AirTags are kind of a little bulky. I don't know if I'd really want to put one of those in my wallet, but this seems like a nice plastic on the outside. This seems like it's going to fit very nicely in my wallet, and we'll prove that out in a minute. And it looks like, if I had to say, power button is here, so I'm just going to hold that down, and we'll see. And it beeped, so presumably that means that it's fired up and that we can pair it by Bluetooth and everything else. But like I said, I will do a separate video where I walk you guys through the setup if we need to download anything and so forth. But I just wanted to show you how cool this is and how nice and neat it will actually fit in the wallet. And you know, very low profile, doesn't take up much room at all. So very cool on that. And that's basically it. So that is the unboxing of the Tacoso Wallet Tracker. You can use it also for your luggage and bags and so forth, but I just wanted to get this out of the box for this video, and hope this helped you guys. If it did, wouldn't mind giving me a thumbs up. I'd appreciate it a lot, and hope to see you in a future video. Cheers.